Hello everyone, this is Albert Fitness today. This is my tutorial. It's all about selection sort. This is my example. 5402 array list. This is my simulation and this is my code. Selection sort for int x equals 0, x less than n, and x plus plus. Int x, int index equals x, for int y equals x, y less than n, y plus plus. If array index less than array y, int index equals y, int temp equals array x equals array index equals temp. Back to simulation. Given 5402. This is the simulation of selection sort. X equals 0, index 0, y equals 0. If array index or array 0 5 is less than array y or array 1, array 0 equals 5 equals, so y will become 1. Go back to the condition. Y now is 1. If array 0 equals 5 is less than array 1 equals 4, false, the y will become 2. Then back again to the condition. If array 0 is less than array 2 equals 0, if false, y will become 3. Then back again the condition. If array 0 equals 0, 5 is less than array 3 equals 2, falsely the y will become 4. 4 less than 4, false, then int temp array will become 5. Then array 0 equals 5. Then x will become 1. Then y will become 1. And then text become 1. The condition, array 1 equals 4 is less than array 1 equals 4. The y will become 2. Then back to the condition, array 1, then back to the condition, is less than array 2 equals 0. Then y will become 3. Then back again the condition, array 1 equals 4 is less than array 3 equals 2. Temp will become 4. Then array 1 equals 4. Next, x, y equals 2. Then back to the condition. If array 2 equals 0, less than array 3 equals 2, then the index 2. Then the sorted elements is 5420. That's all. Thank you very much.